what are all these shelves? Well, we've got books for different reading levels. The blue tagged books are studio stories. They're better for kids who are a bit more comfortable reading on their own, or for grown-ups who want to read to their young ones. What about this early readers shelf? The books on this shelf with the yellow tags are more suitable for kids who are still getting comfortable reading on their own. Oh, and look out for parts with this icon, because they're perfect for early readers. What about my first word shelf? This shelf has books to help very young kiddos to learn their ABCs and record their first words. Aww!